Hello everyone, welcome to codesundar.com. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get an instant notification. And you can also follow me on a Facebook, links on the description. And this video is sponsored by mythemeworks.com. In this video, I'm going to teach you a complete Ionic with a Firebase tutorial. So we are going to make a to-do app where we are going to handle the authentication and real-time database, and we are going to work with the Firestore and the cloud storage and even a push notification. So first of all, we have to go to firebase.console.google.com to create a Firebase project. So you can log in with your Google account. So after login, so you need to go with the console. So here you need to create a new project. So you need to type your project name. So I'm going to make an app called to do app. So now our project has been created successfully. Let's click continue. So this will navigate to my project dashboard. So for integrating with the Firebase, so I'm going to use a Angular Fire. Okay, so this is an official Angular library, so we can use it inside your Ionic application. So to use it here, I'm going to create an app called To Do. So Ionic start. So I'm going to type a project name of To Do, and the project is going to be Angular based, and I'm going to choose a blank template. So let's wait for a few seconds. Now our project has been created successfully. So let me open our project on my VS Code. So for that I need to change my working directory, and I'm just opening the project on a VS Code. So now we have created an Ionic project. So let's install the Angular Fire on that. So for that we need to execute a command called npm install save Angular Fire. Sorry, Angular Fire, and I am also going to install a Firebase. So now you can see we have successfully installed Angular Fire and the Firebase. So let's do the configuration. So before that we have to copy the credential. Okay, so go to your Firebase console. So here click web. So here you need to type your app name. So to do. So then we need to copy this one. Okay, I'm just copying this, and I'm going to my project. So go to the src, and here go to the environment.ts, go to the production. So here we have to use Firebase. So here we have pasted the Firebase credential. Okay, so this is user defined. You can use anything you want. Okay, so I forget to put comma. So then using this configuration, we have to initiate our Firebase. So go to your app folder and app.module.ts. So here first I need to import a Firebase module. So import Fire from Angular Fire module. So inside the imports, so we have to declare Angular Fire module dot init app. So here we have to pass this one. Okay, so environment. So environment.production. So it is importing automatically dot Firebase. So Firebase configurations. Okay, so that's it for now, because we done the configuration. Okay, so let me save this, and let me run the application on a browser. So Ionic serve. So now you can see it's an empty project. Okay, so because we haven't added anything over here. So for this section we just completed the configuration part. So in next section we will learn how to do authentication. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can get the source code links on the description. And if you want to learn more about Ionic, visit codesundar.com/Ionic tutorial. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get an instant notification. And finally, this video is sponsored by mythemebox.com, where you can get the Ionic themes and starters. And if you want any training, like a one-to-one training, we still offer that. You just to visit codesundar.com/training. Hey guys, see you on next video.